H.B. Fuller Electronics Adhesives. Deeply rooted in the electronic materials industry, continuously push technological boundaries to provide high-performance bonding solutions for smart devices. Supporting the evolution of electronic products towards digitalization and multifunctionality, we aggressively drive industrial innovation and advancement. Laptop and portable devices cover structural bonding, compatible with fast curing processes, adaptable to diverse substrates with excellent drop resistance and aging resistance. Panel bonding to frame, high initial strength aligns with rapid production cycles, easy to repair, high impact resistance. ITO protection, low UV energy curing, low moisture permeability, long-term reliability, with balanced reworkability. Foldable mobile phone, decorative strip chalk shell bonding, fast setting and drop resistance. Panel sealing, meet variety of appearance requirements and high reliability. Camera bonding, high bonding, strength and impact resistance. FPC hinge sealing and waterproofing. Customized flow properties enable fast setting and high flexibility. Underfill, optimized viscosity for process-friendly performance, low coefficient of thermal expansion, high reliability with acceptable reworkability. Smartwatch assembly, shell back cover and lens bonding. Fast setting, high reliability, good waterproof and impact resistance, chemical resistance, and compliant with health and safety standards for wearables. Underfill IC encapsulation, high reliability and high insulation performance. Flexible laminating material for watch strap, high peel strength, resistant to oil and sweat, good flexibility. In-vehicle infotainment assembly, panel bonding and sealing, applicable to various materials, accommodating different processes, featuring high bonding strength, aging resistance, and good toughness. Radar, functional materials. Thermally conductive materials meet the functional requirements of the equipment. House bonding, rapid curing, high bonding, strength, impact resistance, and excellent aging performance. PCB level applications. IC reinforcement and underfilling provide high reliability performance. Control module. Diattach, high bonding strength, low warpage, and high reliability. IC solder, joint protection. Multiple processes such as underfilling and corner bonding are used for different types of chips, featuring high reliability and reworkability. Thermal interface materials available in multiple formats with high thermal conductivity, low oil bleeding, and low thermal resistance. Conformal coating, compatible with various spraying processes, fast curing and high abrasion resistance, good toughness, dust-proof, good protection from harsh environments. Component reinforcement, quick tack-free and non-corrosive. The housing seal can be customized with a high aspect ratio, offering weather resistance and aging durability. Camera modulo, active alignment, fast setting, low shrinkage, high reliability, and suitable for a wide range of substrates. Lens fixation, low curing shrinkage and high reliability. Board level applications, underfilling, COB, encapsulation, and etc. Easy to process and high reliability for printed circuit boards. Cover are structural bonding, fast curing at low temperatures, impact resistance, and good aging performance. H.B. Fuller Electronics Adhesive, connecting every element of innovation.